Hey, there's your snow up in Ohio and Indiana. We have the potential for snow late in the weekend, but at least for the next couple of days, it's on again, off again rain chances. Some heavy, some of it not so much. And what we're dealing with today is more in the lines of, well, there is some mixed precipitation out there. It tried to take hold briefly up around Maysville, and also is still seeing a little bit of action down in the higher elevations of our southeastern mountain counties. But generally, it's light to moderate showers cruising through. And so it goes for much of your day. It's just going to be wet, overcast, and chilly. There's additional showers back across western Kentucky. It didn't drop off until you get out towards Missouri. So the big picture, there's still quite a bit going on. Coast to coast winter weather. You've got some form of advisory, warnings, watches out all the way from New York west to the west coast and across a good chunk of the United States. That's a winter storm watch that's out for the weekend already. Due to the potential for heavy snow up across New England, and they've got a watch out now newly issued for northern Illinois. A winter weather advisory points farther west, all that gearing up for all the multiple waves of nasty weather cruising across continental United States. 41 degrees. We're going to edge into the low to mid 40s in a lot of spots. Some of us are already there and then just kind of hover there today. But we're all about the cold over the weekend. And you may have heard this being bandied about on social media. A flash freeze. It doesn't happen that often, and it sounds maybe much worse than it actually is. It just means a very rapid freeze. It means temperatures dropping fast, and that's what's going to happen Saturday night. Temperatures will crash from well above freezing to well below it in a matter of a few hours, definitely overnight, and they'll have a rapid rain to mix to snow transition. So basically what that means is it's going to get cold so fast that all that moisture that's lingering could freeze up pretty fast, and you could end up with some icy and potentially hazardous road conditions Saturday night and especially into early Sunday morning. Now, lows are going to crash as well. This is Arctic air coming in, the coldest air of the season. Our first run into the single digits likely Monday since last January. The record low Monday morning, 17 below. We're not going to get there. This is not record cold, but it's still pretty bitter cold. Plus, you got to factor in the wind chill. We could have a sub-zero wind chill going into Sunday night, early Monday morning. Here's the rain, first round, tracking through. It'll be out of here tomorrow. We'll have a mostly cloudy Friday. And then you get into Saturday, and round two gets going. And this one's rain as well. This is looking much heavier, though. The potential's there, and you can just see it getting started Saturday morning to pick up a couple of inches of rain by the time it's all said and done. We could have, between what we pick up today and then this weekend, anywhere from about a 1 to maybe pushing 3-inch rainfall. So localized flooding may become a concern Saturday. This is one of many computer models showing the projected snowfall be a better way to put it. It's not a forecast, it's just one model. I'm just showing you to give you an idea of how much they're in for in New England. They could be measuring it in feet. Here in the formative stages of that storm, I do think we will see a transition from rain to some accumulating snow. It doesn't look like it's going to be a lot, and we will put numbers on as we get closer to the weekend. But for now, we got a lot going on. It's dreary, it's chilly. We're in the 40s, we're in the 30s tonight, staying above freezing. Tomorrow, pretty quiet. Your Friday, mostly cloudy, and then there's the active weather for the weekend. Wicked cold, and of course that possibility of some light accumulating snow Sunday before we finally dry out as you get into Monday and Tuesday.
Well, it's good. The kids will have a long weekend due to the MLK holiday on Monday.